Welcome to Draw with Bunny. Today we are going to draw a very cute mouse. In the first step, I will be drawing the body of the mouse. And for that, I will draw a tear shape or an almond shape. Starting from this point as the tip of the nose, then moving up like this, and then curving down, moving through at the bottom like this, going up slowly and steadily, and meeting this point. Our first step is now complete. In the second step, I will draw the ears and the nose. For the ears, I will draw an inverted C. From this point, this ear is now ready. Now the second ear will be behind the body of the mouse. From this point, we will draw a small semicircle like this. Now comes the nose. For the nose, at this point, I will draw a curved line. Follow along. Just like this. Now I will draw the whiskers of our cute mouse. For that, I will draw the letter X like this, and the second line going like this. Our second step is now complete. Now in the third step, I will draw the face. For the eyes, I will draw a circle just like this, going all around. Here we go. Now inside the circle, from the edge, I will draw another circle smaller than this one. And then from this point, I will draw another smaller circle just like this. Now let's fill the empty space. Now I will draw a cute smile on a cute mouse. Our third step is now complete. Now in the fourth step, I will be making some cute feet of our mouse. For that, let's draw two pairs of oval shape like this, and right across this one another oval shape. Now again repeating the step and making another pair of feet. Our fourth step is now complete. In the fifth step, I will draw the tail of our cute mouse. From this point, draw a curved line like this, and then going in a spiral line. Now in the next step, I will make my drawing a bit more prominent, and I will fast forward this step. Let's color our cute mouse. For the body of the mouse, I will be using gray color. For the nose and feet, I will be using light pink color. For the body, gray color. For the nose and feet, like pink color. Our cute mouse is ready. See you in the next video with another cute drawing. Bye bye.